Hello students, and let's play a vegetable guessing game. In this video, I will show you the picture of some sort of vegetables and you will guess the name of these vegetables. Now, what is the name of this vegetable? Tomato. Tomato. They are usually red, scarlet, or yellow, though green and purple varieties do exist. And they vary in shape from almost spherical to oval and elongate to pear shaped. What is the name of this vegetable? The answer is carrot. Carrot. Carrot shape has a blunt to pointed bottom. Apart from the orange root, they are also white, yellow, orange, and purple flesh type. What is the name of this vegetable? Broccoli. Broccoli. The broccoli plant has a thick green stalk or stem which gives rise to thick, leathery, oblong leaves, which are gray, blue to green in color. What is the name of this vegetable? Potato. Potato. The size varies depending on the variety. The color of the skin can be white, yellow, or even purple. What is the name of this vegetable? Onion. Onion. An onion is a round vegetable with a brown skin that grows underground. It has many white layers on its inside, which have a strong, sharp smell and taste. What is the name of this vegetable? Corn. Corn. Corn is a tall annual cereal grass, maize, that is widely grown from its large elongated ears of starchy seeds. What is the name of this vegetable? Cucumber. Cucumber. Cucumber is a summer vegetable with elongate shape and 15 centimeter long. Its skin is of a green color, turning into yellow in maturation. What is the name of this vegetable? Cabbage. Cabbage. Cabbage has a round shape and is composed of superimposed leaf layers. What is the name of this vegetable? Pepper. Pepper. Its pungent smell, peppery, hot taste, and health friendly properties make pepper a favorite spice all over the world and it is commonly used in all cuisines. What is the name of this vegetable? Pea pods. Pea pods. Pea is a most commonly green, occasionally golden yellow or infrequently purple pod shaped vegetable, widely grown as a cool season vegetable crop. Wow! Congratulations! You are the winner.